is the ackee that I pick. Of course, 2 dumpling leaf. Been mashing it up, destroy it. And my wife cooked this like a champ. Man. A lot of you guys still don't know my wife is not Jamaican. My wife is from Ghana. Even though ackee come from Ghana, they don't eat ackee in Ghana. But my wife is actually from Ghana and she cooked Jamaican food like a champion. And one of our friends delivered this lemonade yesterday. It's perfect to have with our breakfast. This is, it's healthy. You know what I mean? It has a little bit of sugar. It doesn't have as much calories and other stuff. I would say the healthiest you can find right now. So we're gonna have this with our breakfast, just supporting our friend's business. You know what I mean? Showing you guys, and not because of a friend. It's actually has a lot less sugar than the other drinks. Mad. Alright. 5 grams of sugar. 5 grams of sugar, that's it. Hey buddy. Hey buddy. You're outside?
You don't have the sucker. You never did it this morning?
No, I'm never.
Bad. Let's reverse back up.
Azim, tell him to stop sucking out your nose. So Azim start hanging out with us full time now, guys. Azim knows I get sucked out.
Thanks to you, you gave him this cold.
I not give man a cold, brother. I did not do that.
But for the moms, this is so convenient. It actually comes with a mouthpiece. But I think, you know, the boys lost it. But for colds, even when they're young, put the saline drop, comes out easy. I'll link it as well so you guys have this.
So cold,
lifesaver. I prefer this better than the battery operated ones.
Man. After that experience that we have with Amik, we have to find a solution. I had to use my mouth one time and suck out Amik nose.
Old school.
Yeah, old school. When it was just a couple of weeks old, was choking on his feeding. And I had to do some surgery, you know. After that, I realized kids take away everything from you, you know, because when they used to be scornful to certain things, when I get kids, all of them scornful things they're gone.
Sorry, I'm done.
All of them scornful things they're gone after you have kids. Cause you have poop at catch by your hand, you have vomit by you, them man. Everything.
A big thing came out of that one and a big boogers in them.
Can just see some people boy yuck on this. yuck. You never have kids. When you have kids and in some difficult situation, then you will understand.
Yeah. But this is convenient because we had the battery ones too for the boys.
Yeah.
And I found that it never really.
Yeah, battery one don't work as good as this.
Yeah, this one, I love this one.
You have good suction.
Some of the new inventions are cool and all and convenient, but this one, I like this. That's my favorite one. The battery one. That's not even bother this time, but Azim and Azaf's I get them so confused all the time. So I didn't even bother get that one. So.
You see them almost as if.
As if?
As if. So we're about to get a gift for a very special friend who's been
our doctor friend.
Our doctor friend who's been our guardian angel.
Oh, it saved us last weekend.
Yeah, man. So let's go run in and get a gift. Azim, you gonna pick a gift? In the Adidas clothes your godfather give you? Yeah, your godfather Noah Lyles send you outfits.
Azim is supposed to get his shots today too, guys. Yeah. Shout out to Godfather. I never know how to take this thing out. So
Press the red button, man.
I am.
Yeah, that's what my dash of them fingernail that we have, you know.
It actually is my nails, just an overlay. So that means you get rid of my actual fingernails.
Yeah.
Yeah, Azim is supposed to get his shots today, so probably his doctor will give him maybe antibiotics.
Oh yeah, today I'm gonna get him shots.
Because he sounds so stuffy. Next time.
Hey, wanna come to your favorite person?
You can take him, favorite person.
Smell Woody. Yeah, we got our gift. We'll get a hat. Like cowboy hat.
The beach hat.
Hmm?
Beach hat.
Beach hat?
Strap.
Oh my hat look, Paul. Look like Western. Eh?
Can't deal with you. Like, you need any more hats. He does not need any more hats at all. Zero.
Yeah, man.
I need to start
doing it. Need to start doing it.
Clothes. If I catch us off doing any more shopping, doesn't need anything.
Yo, right now, I don't need to shop for years. Like if I'm going to an event, like every week, I can find new clothes wear every week.
You still get stuff from Puma.
Yeah, cause I just repeat clothes. I repeat my clothes and I don't wear the new clothes.
Mind you, he doesn't need to repeat.
Alright, we're gonna jump off this gift, guys. Hey guys. Hey guys. You're home from school?
Yeah.
Wow. Let me see your teeth. Let me see your teeth.
Today
So your teeth is from my foot?
Today I forgot I was on the track team.
I told him to go.
You forgot what?
Tired.
You forgot to go to track?
Yeah. He said he's too tired to go. So I just let him.
Okay.
Normally him right now shy he'll go. So when he's tired.
Daddy, look what
What's this? Where you get this motorcycle?
Made you angry? Why?
Eh? Where you get motorcycle?
You stole it from Kimani. You didn't give him back.
Okay, money, I can give it to him.
Not Kimani. Who's it on? Is it Dana?
There's a sit-down seatbelt. I mean, what were you saying? What happened? Why did Coach Kirby make you mad?
It's because he didn't let me run.
But you could have went to go run. Milan is out there running with the older kids. You just didn't want to go. You said you're tired.
Daddy cook dinner for you?
Yeah.
Yeah, yummy?
Yeah.
Never mind the box, guys. Just for decoration. I cook the food. Guess who got their injection today?
Azim.
Azim! And guess what? He didn't cry. He didn't. No, he didn't cry. Hey, Chunky. Yeah. You got all the injections today, buddy. You wanna walk? I'm gonna walk up. Buddy, you can't go to school. Leave your brother bags alone. Leave your brother bags. Man, go on with that. You can't eat the car. You can't eat the car, boss. You can't eat the car, no? You don't mash up the robot. You're about to go park, what, buddy? Alright guys, that's the end of our day. I got everything done. The main aim today was to get Azim his injections, his I call them all of the vaccine stuff and all that stuff. Yeah. Nowadays these vaccine things kinda shaky, but just getting him up to date with everything. And then moving forward. Get back on track. But yeah, thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in another video. Hope you guys are having a lovely day, lovely night, lovely morning. Wherever you are in the world, hit the like button and don't forget to tune into the Powells.